Hello, today we will guide you through how to edit invoice template in QuickBooks Online. We'll customize an invoice style so your billing looks professional and on brand. Start by going to QuickBooks Online in your browser. Once you're on the dashboard, move to the upper right corner and look for the Settings gear icon. It's small, so take a second to spot it near the Company and Help menus. Click the Settings gear to open the full panel of preferences. In the panel, select Custom Form Styles. This is where QuickBooks stores the designs for invoices, estimates, and sales receipts. You can manage existing styles here, but we'll create a fresh one so you can control the look from top to bottom. Choose New Style, and when the menu appears, select Invoice to open the Invoice editor. The editor includes tabs to shape different parts of your template. Begin on the Design tab. This controls the overall look and feel, layout, logo placement, colors, and fonts. Choose a clean style that reflects your brand. Keep readability front and center. High contrast text, simple fonts, and adequate spacing make totals and line items easier to understand. Next, go to the Content tab. The live preview is divided into sections you can adjust. In the header, make sure your business details are accurate and clearly displayed so customers know exactly who the invoice is from. In the table area, choose which columns to show, such as description, quantity, rate, and amount, and set an order that helps customers review charges quickly. In the footer, add concise messages like payment terms, thanks, or keynotes. Short, consistent language keeps the document tidy and professional. Then open the Emails tab. This controls what your customers see when you email the invoice. Review the subject line, greeting, and default message to match your brand voice. Clear, courteous wording helps reduce questions and speeds up payment. It's also a good moment to confirm that replies will route to the correct inbox for your team so nothing gets missed. When everything looks right, click Done. QuickBooks saves your new style and adds it to the list in Custom Form Styles. From now on, you can apply this design whenever you create an invoice, keeping your branding consistent and your documents easy to read. And that's it. Your invoice template is updated and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating polished, professional invoices in QuickBooks Online.